Hello decorators! Welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to create 3 different garlands that will be a perfect fit for Christmas and holiday celebrations. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's start with our traditional garland. For this one, we are going to be using red, green, and chrome gold. Now let's put those colors together on our freestanding lamp base. As you can see, here I'm alternating the colors, but if you are creating a color block, you would be adding several of clusters of the same color in a row instead. So I got the base of our garland already freestanding. Now I'm going to use the loops of my 260s to fluff it up. Simply creating a loop like so. And with that loop, I will be adding my clusters one by one on either side of the garland to fluff it up. Like so. Here I'm adding that complements in the color. So if I do have a green over here, I will be adding green to the side of the green cluster. Let's finish it off with our baby fillers. Here we're using a 5-inch quad balloons with a loop of 260. We're just adding them to a different spots, matching the colors. And here you have it. This is the traditional colors for our balloon garland for Christmas. Now let's get to the next one. The next thing we're going to do is frozen. It is perfect for holiday celebrations. For this we picked reflex purple, sugar white, and a reflex blue. Now let's fluff it up using the same technique. We're using our clusters and loops of 260s. Now let's finish it off with our baby clusters, quads out of the 5-inch balloons. As you can see here, what I can do with them, I can hide my base. So I'm simply going to loop it around the balloon and put it where there is a spot that I want to hide. Like so, now base is not seen in that area. My rule of thumb for placing the fillers always is you want to hide your base, you want to hide your 260s, and you want to make sure you concentrate on that eye level area. Like over here, I always have it nice and smooth. I also like to have an organic finish to all of the ends, like the pointy ends for my garland, so it looks organic. Last but not the least, we are going to create a white Christmas garland. For that, we're going to use chrome silver and sugar white. Let's fluff it up. And the final touch is our baby fillers. If you feel like your cluster is running away from you, like this one I have over here, keeps on going back, simply add another 260 to it and loop it towards the front or towards the side where it's running away from. Like so. Now it's nice and sturdy. Again, as you can see, I'm concentrating on the eye level first, then finishing it up with like the tips of my garland. And here you have it, 3 different garlands that would be a perfect fit for holiday. Here we have Frozen, we have traditional, and we have a white Christmas. If you guys are looking for more holiday inspiration ideas, make sure you check out our other videos. And I will see you in the next one.